Okay, guys, so I think I'm beginning to hit my breaking point. I'm about to fail. Anyway, before I do, let me just quickly run through the associative law. I'm getting really tired. Okay, so I said if you finished the A part, that's the commutative part, you would have had all these values for convolution and all these values for correlation, so it's easier going forward. So it's good that you do it so that you're able to practice more and know how to come about the answers. So we're going to be using some of these values in solving the associative law. So for this is what the associative law states. Yeah, that x into bracket yz is equal to x and y in brackets multiplied by z, and x is 2 1, so we're going to write 2 and 1, and our yz is minus 1 1 and 2. But don't forget, for convolution you have to time reverse one of the signals. Yeah, so we're going to time reverse yz, and we'll have 2 1 minus 1. So we're writing our output here. So 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Then you slide 2 1 minus 1. Please don't forget, it's a stepwise change, so don't jump two numbers in a hurry or something. 2 times 1, 2, minus 1, that's 2 minus 1, that's 1. Yeah, then you slide again, 2 1 minus 1. Then 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. Yeah, I don't know why this is coming up. I guess I'll leave it alone. Okay. Okay, so 5. So we'll okay, 2 1 minus 1. So 2 times 1, 2. Then 2 1 minus 1. Sorry, I didn't leave enough space. Okay, let me just erase it and do it all over again. So that's another thing to learn. Always leave enough space. So 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. 2 times 1, 2, minus 1, 1. 2 1 minus 1. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. Then 2 1 minus 1. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2. Yeah, and that's what we have. So that's for convolution. So for correlation, okay, no, let's finish through with this. So this value that we have now is x into bracket yz is equal to minus 2 1 5 2. Yeah, okay, so let's do for this second part for x y z. So from what we've solved initially, our xy is minus 2 3 2. So we're going to write minus 2 3 2. Okay, let's move backwards a bit. Minus 2 3 2. I'll draw this line down. That's where we're going to write our output. Then that's 4. So now we're trying to solve for x, y, z. Yeah, that's what we're trying to solve for. Okay, so this is xy minus 2, and we got xy from what we had before. That's this. Yeah, so we're going to come down and we're looking for z. So z is 1 1. So don't forget, we have to time reverse, but because it's 1 1, it doesn't really, so put 1 1. So solve minus 1 times, that's minus 2. What's going on? I'm tired. Please don't do this to me. Okay, so 2 times this, that's minus 2. Then we'll shift. That's minus 2 plus 3. That's 1. Then shift again. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2. That's 5. Shift again. 2 times 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, so that works. So so x, y, z is equal to minus 2, 1, 5, 2. So it obeys associative law. We can confirm that it obeys associative law. So let's do it for correlation and see if it obeys.